hopefully coming soon, my finished shop. No, I do gotta admit, doing YouTube, if you want to try to make something happen, is a full-time job. And if you're trying to work and have a full-time job and do YouTube, you are just overly exhausted. Hopefully hitting the subscribe button's not that hard to do, because it's also not cheap for, I notice, the content I like doing. Border Patrol here, or Old Blue Balls, or Sand Dragster is here in the future. I'm not going to be able to turn this one around in a week or two like the other projects. Both Power Wheel builds, I think, were a couple of weeks in between customer cars and stuff. But I do want to cut it apart, change some things, because it was originally a one-seater. I was the second owner of it, and I made it a two-seater. Not very comfortable two-seater, but it has potential. And now that we have our second kid on the way, we have a little girl coming here in about the next probably 6 months. Wife, don't kill me if I'm wrong on that. But I'm going to turn this into a four-seater for the dunes. You know, it'll be able to sand drag, hill climb, mud bog, tour around. I think I even have a VIN to make it road legal. But you can see it has potential. But hopefully it makes some pretty good content. It ran a 5055. I mean, it would always do a 515 in the 300 foot. It was pretty quick. It had a 400 horse small block in it, Chevy. It was a 400-inch dart heads. Problem was the gears were wrong, the tires were wrong. I'm gonna try to make it a universal kind of build this time and re-gear it, and probably try to do some kind of pro charger or forced induction system on a small block, or even maybe a big block. But I have a 383 in the container that I might pull out, finish putting together for this. So all I'm trying to say is, you know, hit the subscribe button, even if you don't like me. Comment, but just try to be positive. Thanks. Rip it back down the driveway. I just got customer's go-kart going. Some safety issues with some broken axles and hubs. So we're gonna put it to the fucking test.